Hi again. This training is about using the blog that I created to find a lot of important and necessary information about the career development process. So the blog is at quarterlifecareer.blogspot.com, and what you'll find is that what I've tried to do is whenever I get a common question or receive a lot of really great tips or a really great article about career development, I will blog about it so that when I receive the same question again, I can go to my blog, copy the answer, and paste it right into the email. There's everything from cover letter writing to job search to writing a federal resume, which is a different type of resume, and anything about different employers that might be helpful. So one thing that you might want to consider doing is just reading through some of those posts. It'll give you an idea about some of the questions that we get asked on a daily basis and about some good new articles and resources that I typically use when working with students. So once again, it's quarterlifecareer.blogspot.com. And you can find that also as a link from our website. But I would just go there directly and then you can save it as a favorite. So enjoy.